Hey guys, welcome back to another video from VeeroTech. In this video, we're going to go over just how quick and easy it is to install WordPress on your hosting plan. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your domain name is resolving to our servers using our name servers, or for those of you that are more advanced, you can use A-records, etc. This will ensure that when you load the domain, the website loads. So if we go back here to cPanel, first thing that we're going to do is go to the WordPress Manager by Softaculous and go here to install now. By default, it's going to want to put it into a subdirectory. We don't want to use the subdirectory because we want it in the root of the domain. So when we go to VeeroTechDemo.com, right now it shows a directory index, and we want the WordPress site to show here. Let's go back. We're going to give it a blog name, a description, admin name, password. We recommend using a different admin name. Don't use the default admin. So we'll change that. And it just makes it a little bit more secure. And then go ahead and set your password. We're just going to set just a temporary password for using this. And we're going to use a temporary email for this. Select your language. We can also install some different plugins, so WP Central, limit logins. What this is going to do is this is going to protect against brute force attacks. We'll enable this by default, but we have some server-side protection here at VeeroTech that we protect against these, so that you can limit the number of plugins that you need to install. We have some advanced options here. We can change the database name, the table prefixes. It's a little bit more secure to change this. For today, we're going to leave this as the default. The default is to not auto upgrade. We'll leave those as the default. You could set up automated backups, etc. You can also choose a theme. Now, when you first install these themes, they're not going to look identical to as they do here, simply because there's no content. Some of these themes, they provide like filler demo content that you can install. That'll be for another video. We're not gonna go over that today. So once we have all these options chosen, so we're gonna want to do HTTPS VeeroTech demo. We got the directory empty so that it's just going to install it in the root. We got limit logins. We're to theme, so we'll just use the default theme. And we're going to click install. And it says that it may take around 3 to 4 minutes. Usually it takes a couple seconds. It shouldn't be very long. And then what's going to happen is right after it's finished installing, we can refresh this, and it's going to be loading our WordPress site. And there we go. And you can log into your WP admin here. And of course, it's already going to be logged in because it's going to use single sign-on since we just set it up. And there you have it. WordPress is installed, and that was without the talking. You could install this in a few seconds, and have your blog or your website up and running, and start adding content. We hope this video helped. If you'd like to see other comments, or I'm sorry, other content, just leave a comment below in the description, and when we review them, we'll try to create additional videos for you. Thanks for watching.